That's the wheat field.
He's like, hurry it up.
Oh, that's
yum.
yogurt. You eat yogurt, don't you? And that's apples and bread, jelly,
And milk.
milk, eggs, butter, cheese. You like cheese? Grandma likes cheese too. She don't get very much of it.
And there's bananas.
1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
And what else? What else do you see?
Oh, there's some colors. Red, yellow, and a blue tractor. And animals. Oh my gosh.
Which one's a horse? Which one is a pig? Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Which is a duckling? You know the duck? Goes quack quack. And the chicken, a mommy and baby chicken. And the old rooster on the edge. A cock-a-doodle-doo.
You want your snacks? Well, you eat like